In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify this expression correctly. We have this: simplify 7 minus 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. Now let's have a solution. We have this: 7 minus 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. Yes, some persons will simplify this wrongly. And they have this: 7 minus 5, that gives 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. Now this, you have 2 multiplied by 5, that gives 10 divided by 2, and 10 divided by 2, that will give 5. Well, this answer is wrong. When as such, this first approach here is wrong. When to solve this correctly, we are going to have this: f7 minus 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. Right here, we are going to apply PEMDAS or use BODMAS, both to give you the same answer if you apply it correctly. Now, right here in this expression, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents. We have multiplication, we have division, no addition, and we have subtraction. But right here, multiplication and division have the same precedence. Then as such, the precision here is from left to right. Then as such, we are going to start with multiplication first before division and subtraction. But right here, we are going to have 7 minus 5 times 5, that gives 25 divided by 2. Now here, we are going to take division, and we are going to have a 7 minus, this can also be expressed as this, or you apply KCF. We have 25 divided by 2. Then here, this is the denominator 2. We are going to multiply by 7 because this is over 1 here. Then now we are going to have 2 times 7, that will give us 14 minus 25 divided by 2. And we subtract the numerator, and we're going to have 14 minus 25. That will give us minus 11 divided by 2. And right here, if you take this is improper fraction, we are going to take this to mixed fraction or decimal, and you're going to have here minus 5 and 1 over 2 in mixed fraction. You can also take this to decimal, and we're going to have a minus 5.5. And this is the correct answer to this expression right here. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please do so. And if you have done that, thank you so much. See you in the next video.